Ja! Fick mich doch, was heute für ein Tag, ey.
Komm! Du! Du mal, ist gut! Du mal! Du! Komm! Komm, Junge! Komm! Kom dan! Kom dan! Wat moet je doen? Doe normaal, joh! Doe normaal, joh! Wat moet je doen? Doe normaal, joh, matkees! Kijk hoe je zit te plakken, joh! Kijk hoe je zit te plakken, kankerlaaien! Kijk maar! Maak jou dood, vriend!
What? Fuck you, bro.
Stupid!
What's wrong?
You don't pull in front of a truck like that, a**hole!
What truck?
This truck!
Well, why are you tripping? The fuck out of here. The hell out of here. The hell out of here, you trip ass motherfucker. The fuck out of here.
You okay? I can't get it. Come on, Jared. All right, dude? Yeah, help me get my bike before the cops get here. Go. You guys all right? Yeah, we're fine. You need a hand? Yeah, please. You bet. Are you sure you're okay? Check yourself. Yeah, I'm fine.
Bike's in the way, I want to get behind you. Hey, guess what? Fucking prick. I got stopped by the lights, mate.
He just overtook me, you twat. Why are you overtaking everyone? What are you doing? What? What? Tell me what I'm doing, you idiot. You know what? I'm making work. You drive the car, get the car in the bike, come on.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the Fiat. Hey! Oh! Oh! He's speeding! He's going fast! Oh, the Fiat's following y'all! Cop. Stop. Cop. C-O-P. Here he comes, dude. What's up? Oh boy. Nice Fiat, Sergeant!
Badass?
For what?
What?
For what?
Badass now.
Why? Why?
Huh?
What's up? Go get back in your fucking Fiat!
Access to mom.
Well, go get back in it. Then why are you driving it like a maniac?
Like a maniac? Did you see
What's wrong? What's up? Yeah, we're all videoing. Look at all the cameras on you. Okay, go get back in your fucking Fiat. Dude, don't blow your engine. Bro, go get back in your fucking car. Discountsteal.com, motherfucker. He's mad. Oh, okay. My bad. Oh, he's a badass.
Bro, how
He said he owns like discount tires or something.
Kankervoetje, kankermogel. Kankermogel. Je rijdt over een kankervoet, gek. Kankerimbeziel.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
You mean what am I doing?
Putting in front of people like that, he'll take you out.
Who are you on about?
You?
Who'll take the who out?
He'll take you out.
Who will?
And then he'll get the blame, but it's your fault, even though you've got that on.
Why? Who'll take me
It's your
out?
fault, you're cutting in front of him.
What's filtering?
Cutting in front of him.
Filtering.
No, it's dangerous driving, mate.
Oh.
Dangerous
I
driving.
appreciate
And you've got that camera on to prove what they're doing, but you're in the wrong, mate.
filtering.
You're in the wrong, mate.
Filtering.
You're in the wrong, pal. You're in the wrong.
Filtering.
In the wrong, pal.
Have a look at the highway code, yeah. You what?
Ronnie Pickering.
I caught him.
Did you?
It's me who caught the fucking
On
dickhead.
camera. Is it? Well, that's why then.